Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm going to do a video on doing brakes on a Scat Pack Challenger. So got about 37,000 miles, and I'm getting a lot of brake squeak. So I figure I buy some new pads. Pads, oh, they're over here, that I decided to buy. I got them at AutoZone. They're the hold on a second. They're the Duramax Max pads. Now these are the top of the line pads that AutoZone has, and I don't want to open the box because I'm about to actually take the front brakes back because my brake pads look pretty good. But these are it. They ran me about, I think it was $79.99 plus tax for the front, and I just called because I'm about to take these back and get the rear ones. And the rear ones were, so same thing, Duralast Max. The rears are $53 now. I decided, since my pads I feel are okay for now, and it's super easy to change these. Now here's what it looks like, the little pins. So these are the pins that hold the brake pad in. Now, the pins only go in one way. So here's what they look like. So essentially, they go in like this, and you kind of slide it through, the pad, and it comes out this little hole here. Now, all you have to do is when you take them out, you just go ahead and stick a little, I used a screwdriver because I had a pin hammer set that I can't find, and you just pretty much just knock this little pin out. Just knock this little pin out that way to take it out. Now, this is also on there. This goes on top of the brake caliper, and once you take the top one out, or the bottom one, this is under like tension, so it'll kind of pop out. Nothing too crazy, but it pops out. And yeah, basically the pins like slide in between the little hole there, right in here. Real simple to do. You don't have to take the brake caliper off, which is really good. So I'll go ahead, and once you got the pins out, there's two of them on these, you can basically just pull this out. You can wiggle it out, wiggle out the pad, or just like take a screwdriver and kind of work it out. So the pads will slide right out. As you can see, I'm doing this with one hand, but I already took it out earlier. But yeah, the pads just come right out. And I mean, they only can go in one way. So obviously the pistons are there for the caliper. And yeah, you just pretty much slide those guys back in. Now, the pistons, those are the pistons there. Now I thought these were 6 piston Brembos in the front, but I guess not, because all I see is 4. There's a good shot there. I don't see a 6 one, so I think the Hellcats and the Demon is a 6 piston. And I believe the 392s are 6 piston Brembos. So on the regular Scat Pack, and in my case a Scat Pack Shaker, these only have 4 piston up front, and I haven't got to the rear yet. but I imagine it's going to be just 2 pistons in the rear. So, but I'll shoot another video when I get to the back there. But that's what it looks like when you with one of the brake pads out. So obviously the other one's just gonna slide right in here. Real simple. If you need to push these calipers in, or the pistons in, they're real easy to push in. I mean, you can stick a screwdriver or, you know, whatever to push them in to get the pad in. But yeah, my pads got, I feel they can last a little longer. So what I did was just kind of clean them up real good. So I mean, I got some life, a lot of life left on the original pads. But I was getting really bad squeaks. So the fronts I don't think is it, but there was like a lot of brake dust inside the caliper. So I decided to clean it up a bit with some brake cleaner from AutoZone, and basically I just cleaned up the caliper real good and all that good stuff. Now when you put these pins back in, you have to knock them in this way. So what I did was turn the steering wheel so it gave me enough room to, you know, hammer the piston or hammer the pin back in. Because you like, if you have it straight, the wheel, it could be a little tight there. But if you turn the wheel, you get some more space. So, but yeah, this is what it looks like inside the fender wells of the Scat Pack here. So, good shot of the calipers and the rotor. Like I said, I'm just gonna clean these up real good, and actually I'm gonna clean my wheels too, since I got them off the car. And the wheels are pretty dirty in the back. Let me show you those. So here's the wheels. Pretty dirty. So I'm gonna clean those guys up, and yeah, that's about it. So real simple to do brakes on these, and it's like amazingly simple. Yeah, that's what it looks like. And of course I got the car on jack stands, all that good stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna shoot another video when I do the rears. I'm gonna do the rears here. I don't know, in about 20 minutes or so, after I put all this stuff back together. And yeah, I'll shoot another video. All right, thanks for watching.